Hello, do you know the 10 times table? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So the 10 times table, it's really easy. It's a really easy times table to learn because all you do is you start off with the number 10. And then what happens is you just change this number, the first one, to the number that comes next. So what number comes after 1? Yes, 2. So you just put 2 here and then keep the 0. And it just keeps going until you keep going up 60, 70, 80, until you get to 100. And that's the 10 times table. So let's say it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, use information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!